Hello everyone and welcome to this FloEFD video on pressure losses. Pressure drop always results in energy losses. This is true for any and all industrial applications, from process, as shown here for example, to automotive, marine and aerospace. Higher pressure drops must be compensated by a higher energy demand for pumps or fans. The optimization of pressure losses therefore also results in energy savings. This video will demonstrate the use of a front-loaded simulation process in FloEFD to investigate the characteristics of devices as early as possible. Here we see an example of a control valve that can be found in many applications. In the FloEFD wizard, we can quickly set up our FloEFD project and define the initial conditions for our simulation project, including the unit system, the fluid type, and additional physical models such as cavitation if it needs to be considered in our simulation, and the ambient conditions. We assign the boundary conditions to the corresponding surfaces, for example, approximately 2 bar at the inlet and 1 bar at the outlet, which then results in the corresponding flow rate. And we define the goals of our simulation, in that case the volume flow rate, which is our main parameter of interest, but of course we can also define additional goals. In this example we also use a mass flow rate and total pressure goal for each opening. An important parameter in terms of pressure drop behavior is the flow factor Kv, respectively the flow coefficient Cv, calculated according to the corresponding relations between pressure drop and flow rate. In simple terms, it is defined as the resulting flow rate with a pressure drop of 1 bar or 1 psi respectively. FloEFD parametric study allows for a quick analysis of the Kv or Cv value, for example based on these different valve positions. In the same way, we can also quickly create a parametric study for pressure drop versus volume flow rate for several valve opening positions that can be used to obtain operational diagrams. Of course, several post-processing features allow us also to investigate specific areas in detail. These investigations can be done very quickly with FloEFD embedded in Solid Edge.